Hi guys, I just wanted to make a video. Bruce, this is Bruce Wayne. He's just normal. I love him. Everything's set up. He just shed for me this morning. A couple water bowls, humid hive, got the moss out and that all cleaned out. A little log hide there. Everybody likes to hide under those leaves mostly. This is hot side. I know a lot of people are having humidity problems with these screen tops. That's all I do. I put a towel over half of it. I'm gonna cut out some acrylic sometime soon. And, have it covering, the towel where these paper towels are. I got just a ceramic heater here, just to keep the ambient temperature up. Just a regular bulb for light. I have the light on a 12-hour cycle, and ceramic is on a thermostat set at 90, and under the tank heater it's on a thermostat set at 90. Sorry if you hear my dogs, they're going crazy, but yeah, that's Bruce.